Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. So as promised from my previous video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 3 different kinds of hair mists that you guys can do at home using natural ingredients. I'm going to be keeping it very simple. So I hope you guys are excited as I am. So without any further ado, let's get right into today's video. Alright, so for these ingredients, you're going to need aloe vera and lavender. Like y'all, this lavender essential oil is so old, but y'all can see, right? And then you're going to need some mint, some hibiscus, my favorite. We're going to be using the dried hibiscus. This is how it looks like in case none of y'all knows how it looks like. And then we're going to be using some green tea and chamomile tea. I know a lot of people pronounce this differently, but that's all right. Chamomile tea and some hot water. Right, we're going to be moving to our first tea, which is going to be chamomile and green tea. Chamomile has a ton of essential vitamins and nutrients that are beneficial for the hair and your scalp. Chamomile is known to have the benefit of being able to strengthen your hair strands and make them stronger. Not only that, but when you use it regularly, it can actually accelerate your hair growth. Green tea is also amazing. You guys know that it's the queen of hair elongation, and it has amazing anti-inflammatory properties, and it can prevent hair loss and promote regeneration of the hair. So this is a simple tea. You can throw in your mint if you want, just for that nice scent, and that is it. Moving to our second mist, which is going to be our hibiscus and mint. Hibiscus is known for promoting melanin, which just means that it helps to prevent the graying and aging of my hair, hence why my hair always remains like dark pitch black, as you guys always compliment. And not only that, I love the fact that when I moisturize with it, it helps to retain moisture for longer. And for the mint, I love because it actually helps to stimulate my scalp and assist in hair growth by promoting and improving circulation. So this is literally it, my second mist, guys. Simple, easy to go, and yeah. Then we're going to be moving to our third powerhouse mist, you guys, aloe vera and lavender. You guys know that aloe vera is known for amazing things such as treating hair loss. It is able to soothe the scalp and condition your hair. It's able to reduce dandruff, unblock hair follicles, and more than anything, it's amazing if you use it on a regular basis so that you can see results for a bit later on in life. And then when coming to lavender is amazing. There was actually a study done, I don't know when, but I know there was a study done whereby they tested it on animals, and it actually showed to generate faster hair growth in mice. So I mean, lavender for me is just an amazing essential oil. Not only that, it has antimicrobials and antibacterial properties. So you're basically going to take your aloe vera gel. You're not going to be using too much, you guys, and then you're going to dilute that with 1 cup of water. You're going to blend that, and then you're going to just strain it, right? But obviously you guys can see I am taking the gel with, so make sure that you are not taking you don't want to use the gel, you just want the water. And then I'm going to be adding a few drops of lavender oil, and that is literally it that I'm going to be doing. Then I'm going to transfer all of these teas into a spray bottle, and ta-da! You guys can use these oils at any time of the week. Anytime you're going to be moisturizing, use these. Substitute your water for these mists, okay? That is literally it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next video on Thursday. And open the description box. Bye.